This is Ogbonge 3 kVA off-grid power supply from Mobile Engineering Company that we use to power double more hotel at Ikorodu. Make I show you briefly about the construction. You see how Ogbonge engineer they manufacture the 3 kVA power supply. Let me leave you make you see the full installation. This is part of the installation process as engineer is passing the distribution cable that take power from the control room from this fuelless generator to the main hotel building. More advantage from this 3 kVA fuelless generator is that it supplies DC current and AC current simultaneously. DC current is more economical, easy to maintain, and the appliances like this fan and all the lighting will consume lesser current because DC current is more friendly and is more economical and good for off-grid design. After we submitted the quotation to power the entire hotel, now the customer say make a test about our company first. May we build chicken generator to power this one freezer. Make I zoom the camera, may you see the 500 watts. Wella. Now the 500 watts you see for your screen. So as I zoom the camera, wella. So this 500 watts power this freezer every day. As the customer see am, now he believe say this one now Ogbonge company them. So now it is the time the customer show more love to the products and the entire building is powered with our products now. So this ceiling fan, this is the regulator, and the ceiling fan can also use remote. It works with remote and regulator. That beautiful portable blade ceiling fan is also 12 volts system. So let's proceed to the generator room. This generator is so friendly, is so good, is so economical. DC current is economical and more friendly. Now make I show you the fan where they consume electricity kalo before. Now this one be the fan where they consume 80 watts. You see say all of them na kalo. Then go finish all the electricity quick. Now we comot them. Put this new one where be 25 watts DC 12 volt system where be new latest technology where they use remote with them. It bring more comfort. As I dey show you the installation here, you see the hotel room say it beautiful wella as the lodger go use remote.
Good day everybody all over the world. This is 3 kVA fuelless generator from Mobile Engineering Company. We are doing the installation as Double Mo Hotel. We use this 3 kVA fuelless generator to power fan and lights. So let me show you what we use this 3 kVA fuelless generator to power.
Now, this is the first room. This hotel get plenty rooms. This is the first one where we use the generator to power. As we told you from the beginning of the video, the fan is converted to DC and you see those POP lights at the passage as everything they shine wella. This is the second room. As the fan is working already, that fan get remote and you see the television where they work. That POP light is converted to DC POP 12 volts system. You see as everywhere they shine. That is the regular POP before, but now 12 volts DC power am. As engineer press the button on the wall, the ceiling fan starts seriously weathered to the blow because 12 volts is tanda gidigba to power everything in the hotel. In this hotel room, the electricity is very stable. You can see the engineer going from one room to another, showing as everything works smoothly. That is the remote engineer returning to the wall. If you hang the remote in remote angle, you can press it from the wall in which the fan starts working. If you have a project like this that you are doing, it will be better for you to contact Mobile Engineering Company to do this project for you because DC current is economical, more durable, more stable, more easy to maintain than the regular 220 volts system being launched to the world. You can see the ceiling fan working smoothly, and engineer is very happy, everybody is happy, the client is very happy. Everywhere is shining, everywhere cool. Contact Oberawa Engineering Company today to supply you a stable power supply. This is off-grid design, as the conversion will be professionally handled by our professional team. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.